Pranayama number 2. As you have progressed from level 1 of breathing, I shall now guide you to Pranayam number 2. The technique is slightly evolved. Here, we focus on respiratory muscles. We simply breathe from our rib cage. The first-hand experience of this pranayama is very beautiful. It's well explained by Sri Guru Yogendra Ji. He said, as humans, we only use 1/6 of our capacity to breathe. Intercostal breathing, or Pranayam number 2, helps in expansion of the lungs' capacity to breathe better. Choose a well-ventilated, quiet place. Sit or stand in a comfortable posture. Gently close your eyes and watch your body. Do not slouch. Keep your spine and back erect. Now slowly watch your mind. It is very important that you maintain a calm mind. Now draw your attention to your breath. See how you breathe. Relax your breath. Now place your hands gently onto your rib cage. Do not press them. Just feel the movements while breathing. Visualize the rib cage moving sideways while practicing this pranayama. We shall inhale for 2 counts and exhale for 2 counts. Always keep in mind subtle and non-jerky breathing. We shall practice 10 rounds. As you progress, you may increase the number of rounds. Let us keep in mind, if one has suffered a rib tear or fractured ribs, this pranayama is to be avoided. One might wonder the benefit of this technique. Well, it improves the functioning of your lungs, your intercostal muscles, which lie within the rib cage. It gives it enough exercise, and the chest area gets decongested. Over the years, we have had successful cases where asthmatics who suffered obstructive lung disease were benefited and cured. It is widely recommended for everyday practice to enhance our immunity and vitality. Stay with the guided instructions and let us begin this pranayama. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Now slowly finish your last round and you may open your eyes. Practice this for a week and do right back and voice your comments.